We all live for the American dream, a chance to turn our passion into success and build something of our own. Now let's face it, most of us get excited about home renovation projects and transforming a house into a dream home. Welcome to this inspiring episode of The American Dream. I'm Dalal Gullotta, your Las Vegas lifestyle and community real estate expert host. And today we will go behind the scenes of how a young man had a dream and with his love for craftsmanship was able to transform that love into Atlas Marble and Granite.
Carmelo's Projects isn't your average countertop shop. This guy takes craftsmanship to a whole new level. It's not just about kitchen surfaces. He builds and designs stunning custom furniture pieces that make a statement. He does it all. Countertops, tabletops, fireplace surrounds, sinks, wine displays. This isn't just stonework, it's artistry, and Carmelo is the master behind it all.
Well, Carmelo, you built Atlas Marble and Granite, a multi-million-dollar business on your own. Can you share with us your journey, like what age you were and what got you started in this business?
Sure. I was 16 years old. I had to go to work, and I wound up in a business to work in natural stone. And I thought it was pretty amazing to look at and pretty amazing to work with. I was always good with my hands at a very young age, and I enjoyed working with it. Developed it into sort of a craft for myself. Eventually doing the cutting, the polishing, and finally the installation of the projects.
What's inspiring to me are all the projects that you do. Can you walk us through from start to finish how a project is handled?
Yeah, I can do that. When I'm starting a project, I have to have some sort of idea where I'm going. That idea comes from either the designer or the customer who has a vision. Both visions can come together where I go out and meet with them, and I go myself to measure the project. After the true measurements are taken, I come back, I draft it on the computer, create sort of a blueprint to the project, right. And then from there I'm able to implement it in production. The production being the cutting and then the necessary fabrication to create the edge details. From the edge details, we have to get it onto a frame, onto the truck, which is another big to-do, to get it, transporting it finished from here to the actual job site location, and then the actual installation.
There's a lot of steps there.
There's a lot of moving parts.
Now, I know you work with a lot of designers and commercial contractors. You do a lot of residential work. Can you share some of your big projects with us?
Sure. We do a lot of book matching projects. When you're book matching material, you're creating a butterfly effect where the seams go. Sometimes on a kitchen island, when there's such a long island, two pieces come together. It looks so much better when there's an actual vein that matches each other like a butterfly.
And that's what you're doing over here.
That's what we're doing on the saw today. Yes, we're creating a small effect of a book match on a particular area. And it's a lot of fun to do because it's very unique, always one of a kind.
It is beautiful. I know you did a 25-foot fireplace, 8 slabs.
We went from floor to ceiling with a complete book match.
I love that. Well, thank you so much for sharing your afternoon with us and explaining the process. We thoroughly enjoyed it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, and thank you for being here.
Thanks everyone for joining me on this episode of The American Dream and diving into Carmelo's journey. From humble beginnings, his story proves that chasing the American dream can really lead to incredible success. And with hard work and passion, anyone can transform a dream into a reality. I'm Dalal Gullotta, your Las Vegas host, and until next time, keep dreaming big and make your own magic happen.